Hello students, so welcome to the lecture on structure analysis. When we are doing something, then we know why we are doing this. So let's first understand why we need to understand structure analysis. So if we want to calculate how much load is coming onto the building, whether that specific structure design will able to withstand that load or not. So with the help of structure analysis, we can ensure that the structure can withstand the various type of the forces and the load that it will encounter during its normal operation. Now let's discuss what the word structure means. So according to the dictionary, the arrangement of and relationship between the parts or element of something complex. While in structure analysis, structure refer to a system of connected parts which is used to support a load. So now let's discuss various classification of structure. First one is tie rod. Second one is beam. And third one is column. It is very important for the structure engineer to recognize various types of the element composing a structure. And some of the common elements are tie rod, beam and column. Now let's discuss one by one. Tie rod. Tie rod is a structure member which is subjected to tensile force. Tie rod is sometimes also called tension rod. It is shown in the figure, and tie rod is used in steel structure such as tower, crane and bridge design. In airplane structure, tie rod or something sometime also used. Second structure element is beam. Beam basically is a structure horizontal member which is used to carry the vertical load. There are various type of the beam. Some of them are shown in the figure. First is a cantilever beam, which having a one end fixed and other is free. Second is simply supported beam, which having a support at both the end, one end having a hinge support and other having a roller support. Now let's discuss third and most important element, which is column. While column are the structure element that are generally vertical and resist the axial compressive load. There are various type of the column shown in the figure, like rectangular column, circular column, axial loaded column, reinforced concrete column. On the basic of the cross section, we can say this is a rectangular column, A is a rectangular column, B is a circular column. Now let's discuss what type of the structure that made from the above element. First one is truss. Second, cables and arches. And third one is frames. Let's discuss one by one in detail. This is a truss. A truss is a triangulated system of members that are structured and connected in such a way that they are only incur axial forces. These members are considered two forces member as the forces are only applied at either end of the member. And there are only two type of forces are coming in this section, either compression or tension force. And in the figure, simple triangulated truss is shown. Second structure made from the above element is cables and arches. Let's first discuss what is arch. An arch is defined as a curved girder having a convexity and supported at its end. It is clearly shown there are three type of the arches: two hinge arch, three hinge arch, and fixed arch. Two hinge arch having a support at both its end, while three hinge arch having a hinge at its top, while fixed arch having a no hinge. Now let's discuss what are cables. Cables are the structure with cables as a main load carrying member. They are the structure element that can hold a great amount of the tensile force with relatively small cross section area. The basic difference between the cables and arch is of its curvature. Arch having a like this curvature, while cables having a like this curvature. Cables and arches. Cables having a reverse curvature that of arch. Now let's discuss the third structure which is made from the above element is frame. Frame are the structure composed of the vertical and horizontal member. The vertical member are called as column. This is column. This is a vertical member. And while this is a horizontal member and this is called as a beam. There are generally two types of frame. One is rigid frame and second is flexible or pin jointed frame. Figure A show fixed joint type structure, and while figure B1 show rigid joint frame and B2 show flexible joint frame.